Hi there. So the first tool on our list is the Google search result page, Google SERP, right? So what I'm going to do, I already have my website, right? So technically your website is going to be here, right? Then the next thing, we're just going to click on the Google search results page, right? Google SERP. When you click it, it opens this section of the tool. So if you look at the URL, say Google tool/Google SERP, so you are in the Google SERP, right? On your website. So you don't need to put in your website URL again, right? So now what does this tool help us to do? So with this tool, it can help us evaluate your website performance against a keyword, a specific keyword, checking its ranking on the search engine results page. You understand? Right. So in the basis of 100, right? So what I mean is, so for example, MP Digital, we're going to use SEO near Patel, right? And I'm going to select in the United States of America. I'm going to test it and see, right? And see the stats pull out. So we're just going to give it time and it's going to give us our results, right? So over here is saying uh, www dot did not appear in the first 99 results, right? So what this in this search engine, this Google search page is what is going to help you do, sorry, right, is going to help you identify if your particular keyword you're trying to rank comes out in the first 100 page of the Google search engine result page. So let me use another keyword, MP digital, which of course is the branded keyword, right? And let's see what it says. Right, so you see, cool. So MP Digital was number one in the search result, right? So this branded keyword. So and the best part is you can decide to download this, right? You can decide to download this, right? So it shows you. So for this Google search, for this tool, this particular section of this Google search engine results page, this tool, it helps you identify where your keyword is positioned, right? So if you have four, five, six keywords you're trying to target, right, it shows you the position where they are on the Google search engine result page, right? So for the next tool we are going to be looking at, we are going to be just going to X this and go back to my tools section here. All right, so for the next tool we are going to be looking at, we are going to be looking at the Bing search engine result page analyzer. So the last one we just looked at, we looked out for Google, and we're going to look at for Bing. Right. See you in the next one. Cheers.